Hi, I'm Jackie, and I'm a Misfit. Welcome to this edition of Meet a Misfit, where we are going to introduce you to Mr. Construction himself, Dorin. So come and check out what he has to say.
Hey, what's happening? I'm Dorin, and I'm a Misfit. My life before I joined Misfits Unified was pretty boring, I would say. I used to live in Canada, and I was working for an oil company, and I was not in a good place. I was depressed, and I didn't feel really good about my life and about my direction. I didn't have any goals. Being part of a Misfits Unified did really help me find a direction in my life, because with all our art pieces, we had more or less a foundation for like a building. So I learned the construction just by building this foundation, then learning how to build, learning how to do basically everything that is related. All the construction knowledge accumulated gave me that confidence, inspired me to become the construction manager here and the builder, and to take more responsibility and actually put my hands on.
Yeah, that's good.
Dorin!
Construction. So all the skills that I learned here with Misfits Unified, I can use outside, outside the creative artistic space. For example, I'm building my house right now. Like, I'm building my house with my own hands. My wife is helping me. We're all coming together, and as we do art, we do other things collectively. We're building a house collectively. Just before a couple of years, I wouldn't dare to. I would say, oh, this is like complicated, or like I don't know how to do it. This is a skill that, wow, to have this, it's like, yeah, it's awesome.
There we go, we have rain.
Soften that ground up for you. You guys are awesome.
Thanks, Jackie.
I'm a different man. I have ambitions, I have direction, I have a family. I have people that love me, and I love them, and it's just awesome to belong. Yeah.
Check out the top left video to see our instructional video series. Check out our Umbala documentary by clicking the video to the bottom left. And if you don't want to miss any of our videos, click the little bell next to the subscribe button and then hit all.